National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a dust storm warning for northwestern McKinley County in west-central New Mexico, west-central Rio Arriba County in north-central New Mexico, southeastern San Juan County in northwestern New Mexico, until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a dust storm was 7 miles north of Lake Valley, or 34 miles north of Crown Point, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, satellite imagery. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Highway 550 between mile markers 104 and 137. Highway 64 between mile markers 95 and 108. Locations impacted include Blanco Trading Post, Nageezi, El Herfano Trading Post, Chaco Canyon, Lake Valley, Tahoe, and Brinholm Nitshoni. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service or your nearest law enforcement agency, who will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Albuquerque.